Defnyddiwch eich Cymraeg. Use your Welsh. You may not have to speak Welsh fluently in your role, but a few phrases and some understanding, as well as a positive attitude, will go a long way to providing a quality and bilingual service. Be positive and have a go. Welsh speakers will thank you and be supportive of your efforts. Today, we'll be focusing on the 3-point ID check. Gwiriad Adnabod 3 Cham. 3 simple questions you can either ask over the phone or face-to-face. Let's build your confidence in asking these 3 questions in Gymraeg. Question 1. Be dych enw? What is your name? Be dych enw? Be dych cyfeiriad? What is your address? Be dych cyfeiriad? Be dych dyddiad geni? What is your date of birth? Be dych dyddiad geni? Let's have a look at these questions and possible answers in more detail. Enw, name. Be dych enw? What is your name? Possible answers. Someone might respond by just giving their name. Elin Williams. Others might answer in full sentence. Fy enw I ydy Elin Williams. My name is Elin Williams. Elin Williams dwi. I am Elin Williams. Let's have a look at some of these examples. Be dych enw chi? Mae'r Jackson dwi. Fy enw ydy Geraint Wyn Lloyd. Lisa Evans. Fy enw I ydy John Williams. All 4 characters have answered with their name, some using full sentences, and for example, Lisa Evans just answering with her name. So the key question, be dych enw chi? Followed by the response. Cyfeiriad, address. Be dych cyfeiriad? What is your address? Here are some possible answers. Again, some patients will answer with their address in Cymraeg or Saesneg, in Welsh or English. Others will answer using full sentences. Dwi'n byw yn. I live in. Dwi'n byw yn. Fy nghyfeiriad ydy. My address is. Fy nghyfeiriad ydy. My address is. Let's have a look at some examples. Be dych cyfeiriad? What is your address? Dwi'n byw yn 4 Ffordd Howard, Cleifion, CH5 4 QH. You'll notice that some letters from the English alphabet, for example a Q, aren't in the Welsh alphabet, so sometimes Welsh speakers say their postcode in English. Dwi'n byw yn 4 Ffordd Howard, Cleifion, CH5 4QH. Let's have a look at another example. Fy cyfeiriad ydy 14 Stryd Isa Dimbych, Llanelwy, Sir Dimbych, LL170EH. Ffermdy Cae Gwyn, yr Wyddgrug, Sir y Fflint, CH7 1EG. Fy nghyfeiriad ydy Y Bryn, Ffordd Gerlan, Bethesda, LL57 3 SR. As you will notice, there are a variety of ways of saying an address in Gymraeg or Saesneg, in English or Welsh. If you've misunderstood or you haven't understood their address, don't be afraid to say, sorry, dwi ddim yn deall. Sorry, I don't understand. Sorry, dwi ddim yn deall. Have a look at these key vocabulary linked to the address. Geirfa allweddol cyfeiriad. Key vocabulary address. Enw tŷ, house name. Rhif tŷ, house number. Stryd, street. Ardal, area. Pentref, village. Tref, town. Dinas, city. Sir, county. Code post, postcode. It might be worth you printing the next two slides of the Welsh names for places in Gogledd Cymru, places in North Wales. Perhaps highlight the places, the town, village or city that are close to you, that are in your area, so that you can learn those first. For example, Dimbych, Denbigh. Flint, for Flint. Llan Elwy, St Asaph. Rhyw Abon, Rhiwabon. Tre Ffynnon, Holywell. So here's a list of places in Gymraeg and Saesneg for places in North Wales, Gogledd Cymru. Our last question is, beth ydych dyddiad geni? Be dych dyddiad geni? What is your date of birth? Again, some possible answers. The patient might just give you their date of birth, or they might answer using full sentence. Fy nyddiad geni ydy. My date of birth is. Let's have a look at these examples. Be dych dyddiad geni? Fy nyddiad geni ydy 8 o Fai 1961. 8 o'r 5, 61. Mai yr 8, 1961. Fy nyddiad geni yw 8-5-61. Have you spotted a similarity in all 4 characters? You'll notice that they all share the same birthday, but they've all explained this in different ways. Let's look at character 1 again. Fy nyddiad geni ydy 8 o Fai 1961. My date of birth is the 8th of May, 1961. 8th of the 5th, 61. May the 8th, 1961. My date of birth is 8-5-61. Understanding someone's date of birth in Gymraeg can be quite difficult. Therefore, don't be afraid to say, yn araf, please. Dwi'n dysgu Cymraeg. Slowly, please. I'm learning Welsh. Yn araf, please. Dwi'n dysgu Cymraeg. Here are some key words to help you understand people's dyddiad geni, date of birth. Dyddiad, date. Dydd, day. Mis, month. Blwyddyn, year. 19, 19. For example, 1987, 1987. 2000 a 2000 and 2010 2010 Misoedd y flwyddyn, months of the year. Ionawr, Chwefror, Mawrth, Ebrill, Mai, Mehefin, Gorffennaf, Awst, Medi, Hydref, Tachwedd, Rhagfyr. Here we have rhifau yn Gymraeg, the numbers in Welsh. Starting at first, cyntaf, to the next slide, the 31st, unfed ar ddeg ar hugain. It is quite difficult to learn the original Welsh numbers and the ordinal numbers. For example, if someone's date of birth was the 1st of January, they'd most probably say cyntaf or Ionawr, 1st of January, rather than 1 January. Print out these two slides to have the ordinal numbers in front of you to help you with the understanding. To end, here are some useful phrases that you can use o ddydd I ddydd, from day to day. Dwi'n dysgu Cymraeg. I'm learning Welsh. Dwi'n dysgu Cymraeg. Dwi'n siarad tipyn bach o Gymraeg. I speak a little bit of Welsh. Dwi'n siarad tipyn bach o Gymraeg. Sorry, dwi ddim yn deall. Sorry, I don't understand. Sorry, dwi ddim yn deall. Please newch chi siarad yn araf. Please can you speak slowly? Please newch chi siarad yn araf. Dach chi'n siarad Cymraeg? Do you speak Welsh? Dach chi'n siarad Cymraeg? Do you speak Welsh? You should now feel comfortable and confident using the 3-point ID check yn Gymraeg in Welsh. Be dych enw? What is your name? Be dych enw? Be dych cyfeiriad? What is your address? Be dych cyfeiriad? Be dych dyddiad geni? What is your date of birth? Be dych dyddiad geni? Remember, be positive and have a go. Welsh speakers will truly be thankful and be supportive of your efforts.